welcome back to my channel. How are you today? My name is Niki and in today's video we are going to transform a simple everyday look to a more glamorous look. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to put my primer, and I'm going to put a little bit of concealer in my eyelids so I can start doing my eye makeup. We are going to play with the new Tati Beauty, and I'm usually, when I want to do something like, for everyday look, I'm usually going for a more natural look. So I think we are going to play with Soothe and Aura. So I'm going to take the Soothe matte and I'm going to apply in my eyelids like a base. Okay, now that I have my base on, I'm going to take the Ritual matte. It's this brown right here. Okay, and I always like to put a little bit of, shimmer. So I'm going to take the sequined Soothe with my finger and I'm going to place it here. I'm going to do also the other eye and I will be right. Now that we have both of our eyes ready, we are going to do our eyebrows. I'm going to use just a drugstore brow pencil. Now that our brows are done, we are going to take our foundation. I'm going to use NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat. I'm going to use a little bit of my concealer again. By the way, my sponge is wet, just so you know. I'm going to use my Jeffree Star setting powder in the shade of Banana. I'm going to use one of my new brushes. It's from BH Cosmetics and it's the 124. I'm going to take now my Essence bronzing powder in lighter skin, and I'm going to use again my new brush. It's like this. It's again from BH Cosmetics and it's 127. Okay, I'm going again with the brush from the powder, and I'm just blending. I'm going to take again from BH Cosmetics and it's 125, and I want to try out this shade, the Matte Poet, for my cheeks. I just took some, I did like this and then on my head because you don't want to have too much. Now, don't worry about the blush. Like, if you did something wrong, you just take your brush that you had your powder and just go like this. I like it. And I want to try out a little bit of the metallic Aura, again from the Tati Beauty, like a highlight. Okay. I love when you can take a palette and just use it for, you know, everything. Now I used the Tati Beauty palette for blush, for my eyeshadow, and for highlight, like there. Now this is the look, and I usually put some lip gloss. This is from Colourpop and it's Sad But True. And yeah, I'm ready to go out. But now, if you want to go out again after, you know, coming back from work, or you are outside, you are going to do these steps. I'm going to take this kind of brush, as you can see here, and I'm going for the ritual matte, and we are going to make an eyeliner, okay? Okay, you have done something like that, and now I'm going to take one blending brush. Okay, I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to go with Story Matte. It's the orange one. I'm going to take my blending brush. I'm going to take a little bit of Story Matte. And I'm going to take a little bit of Ritual Matte. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Memory, and I'm Matte Memory with this kind of brush, and I'm going to do a little bit of eyeliner, but I need a little bit of steady hand to do that, so give me a moment. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of Smooth Metallic. I'm going to do the same thing in the other eye. I'm going to clean it a little bit and I will be right back. As you can see, I put mascara, the Catrice all around mascara. And now for lips, because I have so much going on in my eyes, I'm going to put a little bit of lip liner in the shade of Spice. It's from LA Girl. Okay, and I'm going to use from Avon Ultra Beauty Lip Stylo. What do you guys think? I like it. This was for today, guys. I hope you like this transformation from something more, you know, everyday and more casual to a more glam look. I will continue using this palette in a lot of my videos, and I'm going to find, you know, new things, and I'm going to try new things. And if you want me to try something, just comment below. By the way, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell and comment, man. I love when I hear, you know, feedback. This was my final result. I hope you like it, and I hope you are good, you are healthy and full with love. Love you guys. Till the next one. Bye.